So how you guys doing? So I'm taking you to the outdoor training ground here at the Moi International Sports Center, Kasarani, and I'm just going to get you a clear view of how the outdoor training ground looks like. So this is definitely the second playground from the gymnasium arena, and it's the second training ground. The first one is on the other side, just right opposite the main stadium. Yes, so that's the Kasarani, that's the Moi International Sports Center Kasarani. That's the main field, right? So that's the main field. So for now, just enjoy the outside view of this.
Guys, we are the Kasarani National Stadium, and as you can see, they're actually sprinkling water on the stadium. The sprinklers are working, as you can see there. I don't know what but as you can see from the background, guys, that's Moi Kasarani National Stadium, of course, and they're just trying to maintain the turf there. Sprinkling water is going on, and I'm just trying to give you a very, very good view of Kasarani National Stadium. But for now, enjoy.
So on a very sunny day like today in Nairobi, this grass needs plenty of water, and this video today shows how the sprinklers are actually working. Yeah, it's all work in progress, just right on time to host the CHAN 2025 and to also be ready to host the AFCON 2027. So enjoy the outdoor view of the Moi Sport Training Outdoor Training Ground.
So guys, tumemwagiwa maji. Okay.
So this is how the grass looks like after the watering. This is how it looks like. Let me get you a closer view. Like you see, this is how it looks like. And when you're here, you have a very good view of the main stadium. Already you can see the floodlights. These are the floodlights at the outdoor training ground, installed at different corners. So that's the first one. There's the second one there. There are many floodlights here. Yeah, so for now, just enjoy the outdoor training ground at the Moi Sports Center, Kasarani. Make sure you subscribe to this video. Make sure you like, you share, and you comment down below what you think about the whole stadium, and if you think Kenya is ready to host the CHAN 2025, please comment down below, and I'll be more than glad to respond to each and every comment on this video. So enjoy. So guys, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you've learned something. So I finally think that Kenyans were ready to host the CHAN, and the Kasarani Sports Center is actually ready to host the two major tournaments that are set to be held in the country. Make sure you subscribe to this video, and make sure you share this video. Thank you so much.